I'm the worst person to sleep next to. I move so much during the night. I lift my legs up, I lift my hands up, my arms, I twist my body, I roll from side to side, and usually my boyfriend would get waken up by me. But ever since we got the Lull mattress, he actually has slept through the night without being waken up from my weird movements. We received our Lull mattress so fast. It was so easy to set up as well. I could set up the mattress all by myself. You also get free returns. I mean, how much better can it get? If you have any questions, contact Lull's customer service, which is just amazing. And yeah, I hope this was a helpful video, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye!